The Lamborghini Urus has always been the king of high-performance SUVs, but the 2025 model? It takes things to a whole new level. So, what exactly sets the new Urus apart from the competition? Buckle up, because we're about to find out. The Lamborghini Urus has always been a benchmark in the world of high-performance SUVs, seamlessly blending luxury, speed, and practicality. For 2025, Lamborghini has taken the Urus to new heights with a host of upgrades that set it apart from the competition. From a refreshed design and enhanced powertrain to cutting-edge technology and bespoke customization options, the 2025 Lamborghini Urus remains the undisputed king of performance SUVs. 1. More power and electrification. Lamborghini has significantly enhanced the 2025 Urus's performance by introducing a plug-in hybrid, PHEV, variant alongside its already powerful twin-turbo V8 engine. The new hybrid system not only boosts horsepower beyond previous models but also improves fuel efficiency and reduces emissions, aligning with Lamborghini's push toward electrification. The estimated power output is around 800 horsepower, making it one of the most potent SUVs on the market. 2. Aggressive new design. Lamborghini has refreshed the exterior of the Urus with sharper lines, a more aerodynamic profile, and redesigned front and rear fascias. The signature Y-shaped LED headlights now feature state-of-the-art laser technology for improved visibility, while larger air intakes optimize cooling and performance. The Urus also comes with new, lightweight alloy wheels and additional carbon fiber elements that enhance both aesthetics and aerodynamics. 3. Advanced interior and technology. Inside, the 2025 Urus is a blend of futuristic technology and handcrafted Italian luxury. The cabin features a new, fully digital driver display, a larger infotainment screen with enhanced connectivity, and Lamborghini's latest infotainment interface. High-quality Alcantara, carbon fiber, and leather materials dominate the interior, creating an environment that is both sporty and opulent. In addition, Lamborghini has introduced an upgraded driver assistance package, including advanced adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assistance, and an improved parking assistant. The new AI-powered predictive suspension system ensures a smoother ride by adjusting damping in real time based on road conditions and driving style. 4. Bespoke customization options. Lamborghini understands the importance of personalization, and the 2025 Urus offers an extensive range of customization options. Customers can choose from an expanded palette of exterior colors, interior trims, and unique badging. The Ad Personam program allows buyers to create a one-of-a-kind Urus, tailoring everything from seat stitching patterns to exclusive carbon fiber accents. 5. Performance that redefines SUVs. The 2025 Urus continues to dominate in terms of performance. Thanks to improved aerodynamics, reduced weight, and the addition of hybrid power, it boasts an even faster 0 to 60 miles per hour time, likely dipping below 3.0 seconds. The improved torque vectoring system and all-wheel drive ensure razor-sharp handling, while the updated drive modes allow for even greater adaptability across different terrains, from track to snow and sand. 6. Sustainability without compromise. As part of Lamborghini's commitment to a sustainable future, the 2025 Urus integrates more eco-friendly materials in its construction, including recycled composites and plant-based leathers. The hybrid powertrain not only enhances performance but also allows for an electric-only driving mode for city use, reducing emissions without sacrificing Lamborghini's signature power and exhilaration. 7. Cutting-edge aerodynamics and weight reduction. Lamborghini has focused on making the 2025 Urus not just more powerful but also more efficient in terms of aerodynamics and weight distribution. The redesigned body features a more sculpted hood, an improved rear spoiler for better downforce, and reworked underbody panels that enhance airflow. These enhancements not only improve high-speed stability but also contribute to better fuel efficiency and handling. Additionally, Lamborghini has used more lightweight materials, such as carbon fiber and aluminum, to reduce the overall weight of the Urus. This results in a better power-to-weight ratio and more agile performance, ensuring that the Urus remains a thrill to drive despite being an SUV. 8. Enhanced off-road capabilities. While the Urus is renowned for its track-worthy performance, Lamborghini has continued to refine its off-road capabilities. The 2025 model introduces improved air suspension with greater adjustability, allowing for a higher ride height when tackling rough terrain. New off-road driving modes optimize traction and stability, making the Urus a true multi-terrain vehicle. Whether on gravel, mud, sand, or snow, the Urus adapts seamlessly, maintaining its supercar-like composure. The updated all-wheel drive system now works in conjunction with a new electronically controlled rear differential, providing improved torque distribution and better grip on challenging surfaces. This makes the Urus one of the most capable high-performance SUVs not just on paved roads but also off the beaten path. 9. Next-level infotainment and connectivity. In addition to a larger and more responsive infotainment system, Lamborghini has incorporated the latest in AI-powered voice recognition and driver assistance. The 2025 Urus comes equipped with over-the-air (OTA) software updates, allowing the vehicle's system to stay current with the latest features and performance enhancements without requiring a visit to the dealership. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now standard, along with an upgraded sound system that includes a state-of-the-art 3D surround sound setup from Bang & Olufsen. The infotainment system is also integrated with Lamborghini Connect, which offers real-time vehicle diagnostics, remote control functionality, and personalized driving analytics. 10. How the 2025 Urus stacks up against competitors. While the Urus remains the most aggressive performance SUV, it faces competition from models like the Aston Martin DBX 707, Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT, and Ferrari Purosangue. Compared to these, the Urus offers a more extreme design, higher power output in its hybrid form, and Lamborghini's signature driving character. The Ferrari Purosangue, for instance, is naturally aspirated, whereas the Urus's hybrid system provides additional torque and efficiency. Against the DBX 707 and Cayenne Turbo GT, the Urus maintains its lead with superior aerodynamics and a more track-focused driving experience. 11. Future-proofing the Urus. Looking ahead, Lamborghini is expected to refine the Urus even further with potential full-electric variants by the end of the decade. With advancements in battery technology and electric performance tuning, the Urus EV could push boundaries while maintaining Lamborghini's legacy of high-speed thrills. The 2025 model serves as a stepping stone in this transition, proving that electrification can enhance rather than diminish the soul of a super SUV. Conclusion: the ultimate performance SUV. The 2025 Lamborghini Urus sets a new standard for performance SUVs, blending breathtaking power, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched luxury. With its enhanced hybrid engine, aggressive new design, and upgraded interior, it remains a step ahead of its rivals. Whether on the track, off-road, or cruising through city streets, the Urus continues to embody Lamborghini's commitment to pushing boundaries and redefining the limits of what an SUV can achieve. So, is the 2025 Lamborghini Urus still the king of performance SUVs? With its upgraded power, cutting-edge tech, and unmistakable Lamborghini DNA, we think the answer is clear. But what do you think? Drop a comment below, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more high-performance car content. Movie Camera, until next time, keep chasing speed.